हेलो.
ओके, बिफोर यू स्टार्ट आई वांट टू से वन थिंग. मेरी ज़िंदगी में अब एक आया है मोड. अब
कैंसलेशन मोड चालू नहीं हो रहा, वो मोड है.
नहीं, अब आया है मोड. अब आएगा मज़ा. यस, गो ऑन.
हाँ, तो मैं एक बुक पढ़ रहा था कल. बुक का नाम है द एनालिस्ट्स वल्नरेबिलिटी बाय कैरन जे मरोड़ा. कैरन जे मरोड़ा. किसको मरोड़ा पता नहीं, एनालिस्ट को मरोड़ा. तो एनालिस्ट वल्नरेबिलिटी में मैंने अब तक पढ़े हैं 11 पेजेस सिर्फ, और मेरे को बस दिन में 2-3 पेजेस ही पढ़ने, वही मेरा ये है. ठीक है. स्टार्टिंग में बुक जस्ट चालू होती है. बुक चालू होते ही वो पहली दूसरी लाइन है दैट एनी एनालिस्ट, एनी थेरेपिस्ट who decides to practice when choosing his modality of therapy chooses it not by choice but based on his own childhood experiences. ठीक है. मैंने बोला, मैंने हाईलाइट किया सबसे पहले, फिर स्क्रीनशॉट लिया, फिर लिंक्डइन पे डाला, एंड वो ट्रायल रूम में डाला, वहाँ पे बातें हुई लोगों के साथ. नेक्स्ट पेज देखा मैंने, आगे आगे पढ़ा. उसका बोलना ऐसा है दैट you have become a therapist because you feel guilty about your parents fighting, and to assuage that guilt you have become a therapist to help someone else. ठीक है. ठीक है. तो अब फिर मैंने पढ़ी और ज़ोर ज़ोर से पढ़ने लगा. मैं हाईलाइट किया उसको. उसके बाद उसका ऐसा बोलना है दैट अ लॉट ऑफ थेरेपिस्ट विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट दिस इंस्टेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स डिफेंसेस ये वो, एंड आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन वर्किंग थ्रू देन थोड़ा थोड़ा कनेक्शन समझ में आएगा कि व्हाई डिड यू स्टार्ट टू बिकम अ थेरेपिस्ट. आफ्टर दैट इन द 7th 8th 10th पेज शी सेज दैट कैरन, हाँ इट्स अ शी नहीं, शी इज़ अ कैरन जे मरोड़ा सेज अब एक इंसान था कार्ल रॉजर्स करके. ठीक है. कार्ल रॉजर्स बहुत माने जाते हैं. ठीक है. कार्ल रॉजर्स के लिए माय मैन. कार्ल रॉजर्स ह्यूमनिज्म का फाउंडर है. कार्ल रॉजर्स ने 3 टेनेट्स दिए हैं थेरेपी के, विच आर एक्सेप्टेड, फॉलोड बाय एवरीवन, मोस्टली अनइक्विवोकली एंड अनक्वेश्चनड. कोई उसको कंटेस्ट नहीं करता है, कोई उसको कुछ नहीं बोलता है. ये 3 चीज़ें हैं: कॉन्ग्रुएंस, अनकंडीशनल पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड और एम्पैथी. ठीक है. ये 3 चीज़ें. तो 10th पेज पे ही शी सेज दैट आई थिंक, मतलब वो बोलती है खुद, दैट आई थिंक अनकंडीशनल एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द क्लाइंट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड इफ़ यू आर प्रिटेंडिंग टू एक्सेप्ट द क्लाइंट अनकंडीशनली देन द क्लाइंट इज़ नॉट गेटिंग हेल्प, बट इंस्टेड यू आर अफ्रेड. थेरेपिस्ट को वो फट्टू बुला रही है that you are afraid that you will get angry with the client or you will judge the client. कि client ने कुछ बोला that मैंने ये गलत काम किया, मैंने ऐसा किया, मैंने वैसे किया. तो you are afraid of getting angry at the client because you think expressing anger at the client would mean that you are not a good therapist. So you are pretending to accept the client but you are not actually accepting the client. And then मैंने बुक बंद कर दी कि बस.
ये डबल वैमी सॉर्ट ऑफ सिचुएशन है. व्हाट मतलब क्या यार. आई थिंक this is very crazy to me as a lay person because what little I know about psychology and whatever books, all of them are client centric. That client is doing this, so that means that. But I think this is the first time I've ever even heard of कि तू ही है, तेरी ही गलती है, तू थेरेपिस्ट क्यों बना. Which actually kind of reminds me about this instance that you told me when you were saying that you wanted to do psychology and not pursue engineering. And that sentence that has stuck with me for a very long time because I don't think I have found that for me. And you said something like being a therapist is kind of like a full circle movement for you. And I don't know. I know what it means, but I also don't know what it means because I don't know what it means for me. So, like, what do you think?
ये तो मुझे याद नहीं है बोलना, बट शी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग ऑफ अदर व्यूज़ इन द बुक, जस्ट सो एवरी वन डजेंट राइट कि नहीं नहीं ह्यूमनिज्म बेस्ट, अनकंडीशनल एक्सेप्टेंस करना ही पड़ता है. वो नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखती है कि शी अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट रिसेप्टिविटी इंक्रीज करने के लिए यू हैव टू डू दिस इन द बिगिनिंग, बट शी इज़ ऑपरेटिंग इन अ मेटासाइकोलॉजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. बट टू आंसर वॉट यू आस्क्ड, मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं वॉट आई मेंट, मे बी आई विल फाइंड आउट. Yeah, you're looking for it. Oh my god, pulling up evidence. No, I don't remember, but
There's a lot of mentions of circles, by the way.
of course.
Okay, so this message is from 2nd February 2020. And I said, Sam, कल तू बोला था ना full circle thing. That's the first reference ever. So I think it's the rest of it is on Instagram. But
मेरा मैसेज है क्या इतना लंबा?
yes,
दिखा, ये फॉरवर्ड कर मुझे. फॉरवर्ड करना.
yeah, okay.
हाँ.
But again, I have even enough evidence to tell you that you had said to me once how psychology makes you go full circle. I think this is it. वो मेरे को आगे का नहीं पढ़ना, but yeah, what, like, do you really not remember anything about? That's crazy.
I don't know.
Because that sentence has stuck with me because you've said it to me for so like this 5 years ago at this point.
I don't remember.
But that's insane. Do you have really no recollection?
If I read the message, maybe I will.
I think from what I remember, I think it was about how you didn't get some help, but you want to get help, and by helping others you will kind of help yourself, and that is how you get full circle.
This is what Karen is also trying to say.
Are you trying to tell me that this Karen J. Maroda is thinking the same things that you, Samarthya, as a person who does not even have a master's degree right now?
No, I'm saying that Karen is so smart that she has written what all therapists are actually thinking while choosing the profession. So it's pretty insane. अभी तो 11 पेजेस हुए हैं, बाकी के पेजेस होंगे तो I will tell you. अजुन?
I found the message. Well, this is what you've said. Yeah, you said it. You said it. I will tell you the date also.
नहीं ठीक है.
No, I want to tell you the date. 1st February 2020.
Okay.
That's 5 years ago.
That is first year of Christ or something.
Probably.
हाँ.
You said, well, you know how you have been having existential crises because of life having no meaning and point. So I've believed in that for like a long time, and you said that I believe that if I can't give my life meaning, then I can just help others find meaning in theirs, and that will be the meaning of my life.
Wow.
And in bracket you've said, see how it's come full circle from having no meaning to giving meaning to having meaning. And then I said full circle, OMG, yes.
While I still don't remember what. Arre.
I want to add this also. I think you were telling me about how I should find something that makes me come full circle. Maybe it's back to myself, maybe it's back to surgery, maybe it's back to redacted.
Well, redacted, okay. What I was going to bring up is Karen also writes in the book that therapists, while reflecting inward about why they chose the profession, will have no memory of why they chose the profession, because blurring of memory will serve as a defense, and that is what you have to work on, so that when you have counter transference repetitions in the room, you identify them and you can actually help the client rather than just sitting and being like yeah. So yeah, so I think this memory thing is also mentioned, which is pretty insane. Chats will not be posted.
And as you can clearly see, you've obviously forgotten how you came full circle and why you chose this profession. And maybe that's why all of these institutes like NIMHANS and stuff, they recommend that you take therapy first so that you are aware of your defenses and your whatever.
Recommendation is there in some places, but बाकी जगह तो it's mandatory. So if you go abroad and if you're enrolled in a master's program, so it is mandatory to be in analysis or therapy before giving anyone else therapy. In fact, even in India, in Delhi, if you attend some MPhil or if you do a PhD or if you do even a master's, वहाँ पे भी, or oh my god, if you do a training in psychoanalysis which is of 5 years, there for the first 3 years you have to be in analysis and only then will you be allowed to talk to a patient. So yeah, बस I think और कुछ तो नहीं है. बस बाय बोल, बाय.
Bye.